Hey APUSHers, with 73 days left before the APUSH exam, this is what I would do to make sure that I was prepared. I would make sure that I understand all the parts of the APUSH exam and begin to evaluate how prepared I am for each part. So you can go to my website, apushladyboss.com/exam components, and you're going to be able to download this flyer. And this flyer just has really specific detailed information about what is in each section of the exam. The first section of the APUSH exam contains two parts, the multiple choice and the short answer. The multiple choice is very straightforward. It's 55 questions, 55 minutes. It's going to cover periods 1 through 9. The short answer part, though, is going to be a little bit more complex. So there's going to be 4 questions given to you. You have to answer question number 1, which is going to be based off of a secondary source or 2 secondary sources. And then the second question is going to be a primary source, which could be text or image. And then questions 3 and 4, you have an option. You have to answer 1 out of the 2, and they are going to cover different time periods. So while questions 1 and 2 are going to cover periods, something from periods 3 through 8, question 3 is going to be from periods 1 through 5, whereas question 4 is going to be from periods 6 through 9. While those two parts have very specific times, multiple choice, you only get 55 minutes, and the short answer, you only get 40 minutes. The next section, which includes the DBQ and the LEQ, is going to be one big block of time, and you have to determine how much time you're going to spend on each essay. So the DBQ is going to be one essay. It's going to be from periods 3 through 8, and it's going to deal with specifically the ideas of causation, comparison, or continuity and change over time. Then you move to the LEQ, and the LEQ is going to have 3 choices. You have to answer 1, and each of them is going to come from a different time period. So LEQ option number 1 is going to be from the periods 1 through 3. Option 2 is going to be from the periods 4 through 6. And option 3 is going to be from the periods of 7 through 9. In my next videos, I'll dive into each of these components a little bit more, but for now, make sure to go to my website, apushladyboss.com/exam components, so you can download the flyer. So today, February 27th, 2024, we are 73 days out from the APUSH exam, and I would make sure that I fully understand the various aspects of the APUSH exam.